URC Construction was founded in the year 1956, and it is started its career or its journey from the irrigational projects of the nation after independence, when the country was looking to improve the irrigation infrastructure. That was the opportunity for any construction company. The founder started with the irrigation projects till to 1966-67. That was going well, and after that, when urbanization started, the company started venturing into housing projects, and that was continuing till 77 or 78. And then when agri-related process industries like sugar and other facilities was created, our company was able to do number of sugar factory construction in Tamil Nadu. And after that, the social infrastructure improvement was the major focus for the nation, like schools, colleges, hospitals, and other facilities. So we were into that. And in the later part of our journey only, we have ventured into infrastructure like metro rail, railway, other larger infrastructures like large industrial projects, airport, part of airport construction, and few of the bridges and other related works. So now we are a full-fledged infrastructure construction company operating out of 11 states across India into all these sectors. That's the journey of the company. The innovation, our industry, to be very frank, has very limited scope for innovation, because the contracts and the model of contracts was so different. Many times we were not able to concentrate on innovation. But as a company, URC has never stopped experimenting things. When the modernization or mechanization has started, we were one among the first companies to import a batching plant from Italy, the Oru batching plant, and we experimented it. And now we are having more than 60 such machines across all our organization. That was one major step. Though it was not an innovation, it's an initiative which has made us to grow faster. Similarly, when the training or skilling was one of the major aspects which needs to be concentrated, we were one among the few companies who started a construction skills school in Erode, and we have trained more than 6,000 to 7,000 people in one go when we started the institute. So similarly, when we thought that the information is to be captured and the data and other things has to be analyzed and to be used for an efficient management decision or process improvement, we ventured into the development of a software for our own company, and which have yielded a good result, and the product has come out very well. Then we thought, why not we share this good experience with other companies? So we were able to give this software to many construction companies in India and in Gulf region. Nagarjuna Construction, NCC, is one of our proud customer in India, where all their projects are using our ERP solution. The company's name is Active Software Solution, is the ERP solution provider, but it's an in-house initiative of URC Construction. Similarly, when we found the labor supply, or after this COVID, the hardships that were faced by the migrant labor, we supported an entity called Labor Home, where it is like Naukri.com. It supports and supplies manpower to many construction companies. These are all some of the important initiatives. And apart from that, we continue to experiment various people engagement methodology, policies, and also the labor camp. Say, for example, when we executed the Tata Realty Ramanujam IT City project, we created one of the best labor facility for the labor to stay and come to work. All along in our whole history of our company, we found, and the founders, one of the major policy is to take care of the workers very well. They are the backbone and they are the bottom of the pyramid people. So we always take care of them. See, per se, as innovation, there are areas to improve. We have done one wonderful project for the Agricultural Research Institute at Katni, Pune, Bhubaneswar, which is a biosecurity lab, standard 3 lab, which was one among the one of the facility in India. Similarly, now we are doing a project for a German company in Punjab, where that is also the first project in India. So these are all some of the initiatives which we have very in a strong mind we have ventured into, and it has yielded result, and we found them to be good. And we are also now going to we may get an opportunity to do a 3-dimensional precast work for a large enterprise of India. These are all the things that URC is now or in the past has done. We are close to 1,000 crore turnover company. In the coming 3 to 5 years, probably we may grow from this level to 3 times or 5 times. That's how we visualize at management level and team level, because the 5 trillion economy has given a great opportunity, particularly for infrastructure. The 100 trillion investment in the coming 10 years is another opportunity. We are a well-groomed or properly developed company, I can say. We never have overstepped from our values or from our deviated from the ethics or values. So we always try to ground ourselves with the values and ethics, but still we are very confident that in the coming 3 to 5 years, we will grow from this level to 5 times minimum, because the opportunities are like that. We are fully equipped to address that kind of a growth.